Tools you may need: adjustable wrench, 5/16 Allen wrench, screwdriver. Step 1. Remove air cleaner top and base. Remove driver's side rear nut from bolt on carburetor and place bracket between nut and bolt and tighten. Step 2. Install carb arm bracket with a screw and lock nut. These are not provided. Making sure that bracket can rotate freely. Step 3. Attach springs, small one on the inside and short side towards firewall, making sure they are hooked properly to avoid them coming off. Step 4. Take your supplied 5/16 Allen wrench and tighten lock washer nut until it touches the base of the carburetor. Make sure arm is at 90 degrees out to secure alignment. Next is to lock down carburetor base bolt and tighten to manufacturer specs. Thank you for watching our instructional video for part number HC-2084 stainless steel throttle cable bracket spring kit. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at cfrperformance.com. Thank you.